In this video, we're going to look at how to fan a window down using an extension pole. So what we're going to do is similar to before, using our applicator and locking that onto the end cone. We're going to wash the window, again leaving a small gap at the top, just a couple of millimeters. Wash the entire window down. And then we're going to use a swivel tool. So this one in particular is called the Unger swivel handle. Now there are a couple other different kinds on the market, but just for demonstration purposes we're going to use this one. Now this one, because obviously as the name suggests, it swivels, and you can tighten or untighten how much swivel you would like on this particular model with the black dial. So what we're going to do is place the squeegee on the window like so. And unlike before, where we just pulled straight down, this is a little bit more professional technique. So what we're going to do is we're going to cut across like this and down, cut across like that and down. So a bit like before with the hand tools, we're going to start in the middle, cut across to one corner, then cut across to the other. So we've done our top edge. We then want to clean the sides of the window. So come down. So we've got a number 7 that's clean so far. Put the squeegee back on the window and do the left hand side and down. So then we've got this, what I call the tower of solution left in the middle of the pane. So again, putting our squeegee back on the window, we're going to do our up and over technique over the mountain that we did with our hand tools. Same technique, but on a pole. So you're just turning the pole to get the squeegee to move like that. You can literally do it with very minimum pressure. So up and over like this, all the way down the window. And then push a bit more to close out, and just like that. We'll do it one more time, just so you can see. This is a bit more of a professional technique and will take the most practice to do. If you've just started, I recommend sticking with the straight pull until you've mastered that, and then move on to this technique, fanning on a pole. So we'll wash that again. Take our washer off of the pole. Attach our swivel tool. Now some swivel tools come with a washer attached to the squeegee, where you can flick the washer over, wash the window, flick the washer away, and then squeegee it. So pop the squeegee onto the window, start in the middle, cut across to the top left, pull down, over to the top right, and pull all the way down to the bottom. So we're creating a number 7 to start with. So to the middle, over to the top, down, turn as you move, same with your hand tools, over to the top right, pull straight down to create our number 7. Put the squeegee back on the window, cut across and do the left hand side and completely clear that to the bottom as well. So then we're left with our tower of solution in the middle. Put it back again once more into the middle of the window and start our up and over the mountain technique. Up and over, up and over. Look where you're aiming for. So I'm aiming for here, up and over. I'm aiming for over here, up and over. So you're just turning the pole. See in my hands, I'm just turning it like this. Like that, yeah? Turning the pole. And it'll become a very fluid motion. Now this particular technique leaves a much cleaner result around the window. It leaves a lot less detailing and tidying up to do with our cloth, as opposed to the straight pull. So hence why I would encourage you, if you're just starting, stick with the straight pull, and then later on you can look at doing the fanning technique. This can take some people weeks, some people months, and some people years to master. So don't worry too much if you can't quite master that technique when you go away today. Sometimes it does take a little while to learn these things, but that is the basic technique to fanning the window down. You want to create your dry, clean top first, then clean the sides, and then fan the middle of the window until you close out. So go away and practice that technique once you've mastered the straight pull.